In this lesson, you will learn why it is important to cite sources, how to define plagiarism, and how to quote and cite your sources. We use citations to provide supporting evidence for an idea, to show the history of an idea and how it was developed, to recognize contributions of other scholars in the field, to reflect the work you have put into research for your paper or project, to ensure accuracy, and to provide the reader a path back to the original material. Essentially, plagiarism is the theft of ideas or information. When you use ideas, quotes, or statistics in your papers or projects and do not acknowledge the original source through proper citation, you are plagiarizing. Plagiarism can be purposeful or accidental and includes things like cutting and pasting text from the web, a book, or an article and inserting it into your paper without citing it, using the words or ideas of another person without citing them, and summarizing or paraphrasing another person's words without citing them. Your instructor may ask you to use a particular citation style for citing your sources. A citation style is a set standard for presenting the information from a citation, such as the author, title, and publication date. The most frequently used citation styles at Wayne State University are APA, which is generally used in the social sciences, MLA, which is generally used in the humanities, and the Chicago Manual of Style. Here is an example of how to take the citation information you find in your database search results and turn it into a properly formatted MLA citation for your paper or project. The first image displays article information found in a ProQuest database entry. The second image displays the citation created by the database's citation tool. Many databases have citation tools that you can use to cite anything you find there. However, you should be careful that the citation delivered to you is correct. In this case, our final citation is just slightly different than the one provided by the database. We've included the author's first names instead of just an initial, and removed the hyperlink to only include the DOI. Whenever possible, use a DOI or permalink instead of a web address. And remember, when you find an article in a database, most times it's referring to an item that originally appeared in print form, even though you can read it in full text online. If your reader wants to use the print publication, your citation will tell them exactly where to find the article. You can find online citation style help through the Wayne State Library by going to the research guides located at these addresses. You can also search for them by selecting Research Guides in the Quick Links menu on the library homepage. If you need more assistance, use Help on the library homepage to contact a librarian 24/7 through chat, email, phone, or text. Here's our references in MLA style. Don't forget yours.